everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Zuri Food Channel. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make very simple biscuits. So there's no need to buy biscuits because you can make it yourself at home and it is even tastier. And you can add any ingredients you like. But this one is just 3 ingredients. So if you are interested in knowing how to make your own biscuit for this Christmas, please keep on watching this video and I'll see you very soon for another food mass recipe. So now let's get started. For this recipe, you need 2 cups of self-raising flour. You also need 200 grams of butter, and I'm using cold butter. This is optional, but I'm going to be using half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm going to use half a cup of sugar. So you could use caster sugar or powdered sugar, but I am using granulated sugar and I think it's best for this recipe. So the first step is to add your butter in a bowl. So I repeat it, this is 250 grams of butter. Next, you can add in the sugar, which is half a cup of sugar. So roughly about 90 grams of sugar. Next, add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is optional. You don't have to do it. And next, mix the sugar and the butter together. Well, this time I am using my hand mixer, but you can do it manually. It's just a lot quicker with the hand mixer. And this is how it should look like. Next, with your spatula or a wooden spoon, just give it a little stir, okay? Just to make sure everything is well mixed. Now, you can add in your flour, add it little by little, okay? And then fold it in with your spatula, okay? So just do it smoothly, nice and slowly, okay? And then I'm gonna add a bit more of flour. You can do it in 3 times if you like, okay? Then mix it again, nice and gently. So this recipe is very quick, very easy and very, very tasty, okay? And now I am adding the last flour I have, and this time I am going to fold it in and mix it manually, okay? Next, spread some sugar on your working table, okay? Why? Just because we are going to roll our dough in it so that the biscuits come out a bit more shinier, okay? Just for that reason. So just a little bit of sugar is fine, okay? And by the way, this is the dough you're supposed to get once you have mixed all the ingredients, okay? Fine. So now just roll the dough in the sugar, okay? And just give it a little knead. It's not even a knead, it's just adding the sugar to it, okay? And at this point, if you want to add some chocolate to it, you can also do it, but trust me, all butter biscuits is the best. I believe in America they call it cookies, but here in the UK we call it biscuits, but I guess it's the same, okay? So now my biscuit dough is ready. So now I have my parchment paper on my baking tray, and you can see that I have sticked it with some butter because it moves around, okay? So you can also do that. Just put some butter on your baking tray and then stick the parchment paper on it. Now it's up to you, but you can take a little bit of your biscuit dough and roll it in your hands, okay? So I am making jumbo biscuits, so you know there is baking flour on it, so it will rise and get big, but you can do it smaller, okay? So I've got about 12 here, but it will be 12 jumbo biscuits. And then you can flatten it with a fork or any other shape you want to give it, but usually with fork is nice and simple. Okay, so if you do it like me, you get 12 biscuits, but if you do it smaller, you can get maybe between 15 and 24. It really depends on how big or small you like it. Voila, now my biscuit is ready. I have preheated my oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Okay, and I am going to bake my biscuit for about 20 to 25 minutes depending on the strength of your oven, and I'm using a fan oven this time, so it's a lot quicker. Okay, voila, so my biscuits are ready, and I'm going to take them out of the oven and let you see how it looks like. And by the way, your kitchen will smell awesome. So this is it. Look at this perfect homemade biscuits or cookies. These are fantastic, guys. So let them cool down, and then now I am going to show you one closely. Look at this golden biscuit. Okay, it's just fantastic. You really need to try this recipe. It's no jokes for Christmas for your kids. And now I'm going to break it into two. Look at this. Did you see that? Perfect biscuit, perfect homemade butter biscuits. Okay, so I really hope you like what you see and that you are going to try it, guys. You really need to try it. It doesn't take long, it's very quick, and you won't buy any more biscuits after this. Trust me, it's quick and kids love it. You could even add food coloring to it. Since it's Christmas, maybe green or red food coloring so that you can have different colors, but you really need to try it. So thank you all for watching this cookies or biscuit recipe. I hope you are going to try it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.